This is the Iron Trader. It is Tuesday morning. Now, we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas here as usual. And remember, the API numbers will be out at 4:30 there today. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, if you look at today's candle here, now we have, again, another lower low. So what we want to do here, okay, today's low so far is 81.55. So what we want to do is we always just look to the left here, okay? So you see this candle here, it's 81.52, okay? That's your support level. Now, again, if that's lost, then we look over here to this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at the high of 80.71, which lines up very, very nicely here with this 21A SMA here, sitting at 80.43. So that will be your next target here on the downside. Now, again, if it keeps going, then we just keep looking to these candles here. This one right here, you're looking on this bottom of this candle here, you're looking at 79.90. That's going to be very, very key support level here. And then we just follow all the way down all of these candles. Now, this candle right here is going to be also very crucial. So you're looking at a 79.28. That's going to be very crucial. And this candle right here is also going to be very crucial. That's sitting at 77.33 because, see, this was the breakout, okay? It went up into the 200-day and then broke out. And then right below that, we have your 200 SMA here. It's sitting at 76.74. Then obviously lower here, you got your 50 SMA here, and then we have our 100 SMA here. But what you want to do is just follow it. Anytime you have a breakout, it always comes back and tries to want to retest that. So just kind of watch that key level there at 77.33. Watch this key level here. You're looking at 79.28. And then this candle here, you're looking at 79.90, which lines up very nice with this candle here. And then the key level here is going to be this 80.49. That's going to be key support level here. Now, so far here, you still have a series of higher lows here, even if it comes down to this 21 SMA here. So you want to look at the bottom of that candle, the bottom of that candle, and then whatever bottom of this candle here, if it can hold this 21 SMA here. So that's still very bullish. Now, I've been pointing out here about the last couple of videos here about the negative divergence here on this RSI. See, that's always something you want to pay attention to. So when you have a high here, okay, and then you have a lower here, and then you have a low here, and then you have the high here, you got that negative divergence, and now look where it's going. Now, another thing that isn't looking too good here is this MACD. Okay, see where the green crossed over the red? Okay, and that needs to curl back up here for this to go and rebound here really nicely. But these are the warning signs that you always want to catch in advance, okay? Not just to say, oh, geez, where this is going, rallying. You want to always look at, geez, when is this rally going to stop? So see, I pointed out this negative divergence here, and I've always been pointing out when that green line goes below that red line, you got to be aware, got to be really sharp when you start trading just the charts. Okay, so now on the upside, what do we have here is your key level here is going to be this 8 SMA, sitting at 82.78. That is going to be key. Now, if you can close above that, then we just look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 83.20 here. Then what we want to do is we want to look on this candle here because this is crucial. This is 83.53. And then we want to come back to this candle here. You're looking at 83.81, and then we have 84.65, and then your retest up there is sitting at 84.89. But your key is going to be this 8 SMA here on the upside, and this key 21-day here on the downside to see if you can still keep holding these higher lows. All right, let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly chart. Okay, here we have your weekly chart here. Now, it just can't seem to manage to get above this key level here. This is that 83.53. If you can, well, then we do is we look at this one here. You're looking at the 84.89, and then right above it is your 100 SMA sitting at 85.61. Those are your upside targets. If you can clear that 100-day, then we look here to this 21 SMA here. Okay, so you're sitting at 86.18. Now, on the downside here, well, you want to look here at this Key 50 day, you're looking at 78.15, and then we have 78.03, which is your 8 SMA here. Those are going to be your key levels of support here, and then right below here, you got 75.58. But you know, you had a really nice, good series of green candles here. So far, we got the red candle, but it's basically just an inside week here so far, but it's only Tuesday, so you got to give a little time. So what you want to do is watch this key 83.53 on the upside, and then if we can manage to do that, then we can have the retest of this candle at 84.89, and then possibly the 100 SMA here, and then even the 21 SMA if you can rally up. On the downside, watch the key 50 and watch this key 8 SMA. All right, let's take a look at natural gas, see what that's doing. All right, natural gas here. Here we have a weekly chart here and your monthly chart here. Well, your monthly here, you're still above this key 8 SMA here. That's always good, sitting at 2.56. But you just basically, we just have a nice long sideways action, which is what you expect at a monthly chart. Now, here on the weekly, you know, I've always been pointing out this candle right here at 3.027. Right there, this is sitting at 3.018 here. That was your double top that was in play. So now we're basically going sideways. So what you want to do on your key support level is watch this 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.67, and watch this next right below it is the 21 day at 2.45. Okay, those are going to be very, very key levels here now. The 8 day is still crossed above. That's always a very bullish sign. Okay, that's what you always, so it needs to hold that there for the week. If it doesn't, then she'll come down to the 21 day, and then we can just follow these candles all the way on down here. All right, let's take a look here on a hourly and a 4 hour. All right, here on an hourly chart here, okay, so we had a low here, but now we still have a series of higher lows that's still very much intact here. The key support level here is what you want to do is look at that price channel sitting at 2.749. If that is lost, then we want to look here to this key 200 SMA sitting at 2.729. Okay, that's going to be key support levels here on your hourly chart. Now, this is still looking bullish. Right now, natural gas is down, I think it's like 2 cents. So it's pretty much still a flat action going on. You're trading in this pattern right here. But again, if it can hold this key price channel here and this 200 SMA, then it's still a very a good sign. Now, on the upside, you want to watch this 50 SMA sitting at 2.79, and then we have your 2.81, and then we have your 8 SMA here. Let me see if I can find it. There it is, sitting at 2.82, and then we have your 100 SMA sitting at 2.83, and then your retest sitting at 2.86. Now, again, if you can get above your retest here, then we just follow these candles here all the way on up here to possible retest of this. But right now, we just have to be a little bit patient here with natural gas. You still need a catalyst here for get this to move, to get something where you're going to have some kind of a movement going on here going forward. Now, on a 4 hour chart here, you got pretty much just the same thing here. You really need to hold this 50 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.74. Then your retest there is at 2.7. You could come all the way to 2.67. On your upside, you want to watch here is your 8 SMA here, 2.8, 2.81 is your 21 day. And then we looked at the top of that candle there. What do we have there? You got 2.86. And then we could possibly have a rally back up. But right now, it's just kind of a flat action. To me, again, we're right back into the scalping situation here for long and in the short. So I'll be looking either do some BOIL, BOIL, maybe UNG, and then maybe some KOLD on the short side if we start losing these this price channel and this 200 SMA. All right, I'll have more for you here after pit close at 2:30. And remember, the API number here for crude oil is out at 4:30. All right, thanks for watching.